Find out how a new study is rewriting the history of America's population with surprising genetic findings. For decades, archaeologists and geneticists have debated how many human waves form this vast cultural mosaic. The dominant hypothesis spoke of two great movements, but there was a lack of quality genetic data. The genetic history of indigenous peoples has been underrepresented in scientific projects, leading to an incomplete vision of how these populations were formed and evolved over time. America is not a uniform territory, but a mosaic of environments that have conditioned human life. From the Amazon to the Andes, each region has acted as a natural laboratory of adaptation. A recent study has built the largest genomic database of American indigenous peoples. This project has analyzed 128 high-quality complete genomes from 45 populations in 8 Latin American countries. The result of this study not only expands the genetic map of the continent, but reveals more than 1 million previously unidentified genetic variants. This confirms that indigenous genetic diversity is much greater than was thought. These genetic variations are related to essential functions such as the immune system and metabolism. They are the reflection of thousands of years of adaptation to extreme environments. The study also reveals a strong demographic bottleneck associated with European colonization, which caused a drastic fall of the indigenous population. However, signs of continuity in genetic diversity persist. This study introduces a disruptive finding: the existence of a third migration to South America approximately 1,300 years ago, related to populations in Mesoamerica. In addition, the presence of a genetic lineage shared among some indigenous peoples and populations of Australasia is confirmed. This component has persisted for more than 10,000 years, adding complexity to the population of America. This work opens up new perspectives in medicine and evolutionary biology. Understanding the genetic diversity of indigenous populations is essential to advance towards a more equitable medicine